I'm from Medan.
From Medan. Okay. So are you still school students?
No, I'm not student.
Okay. So how old are you? Ade, how old are you?
Is it important to say about my age here?
No, actually, we need to know about the groups, yeah, for the groupings. Okay, so are you colleger or school student, actually?
Actually, I am a worker, so you
Worker.
can guess what
Okay,
my age now.
okay, so it's about 20 something probably. Okay, let's turn to class, Adi from Medan, and Mr. Irfan Nugroho, where are you from, please?
Yes,
Yes,
I'm from Surabaya.
from Surabaya, okay.
Right.
Yeah, it's a different location in Indonesia. Yeah, one's
Yeah.
participant from Medan and you
Yeah.
from Surabaya. It's the capital city of Indonesia. Okay, sir, for this evening, actually, I'm gonna share you about this.
Mhm.
Actually, not this. I will stop sharing. I will just do this. Yeah, this is the trending news as well, actually.
Mhm.
That yesterday we also discussed about this. And also this is reliant to the Jakarta that will have the second lockdown of Jakarta. Okay. So we will talk about this. This is from the
Sorry,
Guardian News. Yes.
sorry. How can I call you?
I'm sorry.
How can I call you?
Yes, you can call me Mustafa or you can call me
Oh, Mr.
sir.
Mustafa. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Mustafa.
Yes.
Where is your location?
I'm sorry. Yeah,
Where
okay.
is your location?
So yeah, so what did actually do you think of about my location actually, Mr. Irfan Nugroho? Yes,
I
actually,
don't know actually.
yeah, I'm in Jakarta.
Oh, Jakarta.
Yes,
Oh,
yeah.
good.
Okay, so for this evening we will talking about this, yeah, because this is Jakarta also will have the second lockdown, and this is the
Mhm.
Prime Minister. Prime Minister of Britain, Boris Johnson, and Boris Johnson pinning hopes on 100 billion pounds sterling moonsuit to avoid second lockdown. Yeah, moonsuit is
Mhm.
the organization. The organization would avoid the European countries, yeah, for get the freedoms, yeah, from the coronavirus. Okay, so Mr. Actually must register again, yeah, with the emails or account. Yeah, actually, okay, this is trending on Wednesday, 4 days ago. It's about 4 days ago at 9 p.m. PST, British Summer Time. And Mr. Irfan, yeah, sorry, this is
Yes.
need to register first. Okay, I will register first, yeah, because yeah, the Guardian need us for register this.
Mhm.
Okay, I will register by my email. Okay. So are you worker or student, Mr. Irfan?
I'm student.
Students. Okay. So
Right.
in what class? Actually, what institutions or student at the college or what? Something like that.
I study at Open University.
University. Yeah, Open
Right.
University. Okay, that's good. Yeah, and this evening also Mr. Ajay joined to this class. Okay, hello Mr. Ajay, how are you? Welcome back to the class, Mr. Ajay. Hello Mr. Ajay, how are you?
Open the speaker, AJ.
Yes, Mr. Ajay. Probably, yeah, he hasn't ready yet. Yeah, Mr. Ajay, probably. Okay, so, okay, this is lost from Guardian News actually. I guess first. Yeah, Mr. Ajay probably still preparing something. Okay, so Mr. Irfan Nugroho,
Yes.
actually, have you known that Jakarta will have the second lockdown tomorrow?
Right.
That will be tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, have you got the news that Jakarta will have the second lockdown tomorrow?
Mm,
Yes.
I just heard about the planning, but I don't know when it is will be applied because I'm not watch the television tonight.
Okay. Okay. Actually, Anies Baswedan, the governor of Jakarta, already announced on Thursday in this week that Jakarta will be have second lockdown will be on Monday tomorrow. Will be on Monday tomorrow. So
I
Jakarta
see.
will be have yes the second lockdown by tomorrow. Yes, and this is also reliant yeah, for the lockdown of Jakarta because also Britain, yeah, London also yeah will have the second lockdown, but the Prime Minister pinning hopes yeah, to avoid for the second lockdown. Okay, so can you please read the first paragraph, Mr. Irfan Nugroho? You can please read
Mm,
the
sorry,
first paragraph. Yes, can you see it?
I still having my dinner,
Okay,
so
okay.
it is difficult for me to read it. Mm. I will it. I will do it the next 10 minutes. Okay.
Okay, okay, please. Yeah, okay, no problem. Yes. And Miss Ade, can you please read the first paragraph, please? Miss Ade.
Me from Boris Johnson.
Yes. Yeah, Boris Johnson. Yes. Boris Johnson believes.
First paragraph. Okay.
Yes.
Boris Johnson believes a mass testing program is our only hope for avoiding a second national lockdown before a vaccine, according to leaked official documents setting out plans for Operation Moonshot.
Yes.
Yes.
That's good. Yeah, thank you for reading, Ade. Yeah, actually, Boris Johnson believes that a
Yeah.
mass testing program is our only hope for avoiding a second national lockdown before a vaccine. Yes, according to leaked official documents setting out plans for Operation Moonshot. Yes, so this is the Boris Johnson's that he believed that the testing program is only hope for avoiding for the second lockdown. So because the vaccine still testing for the human testing in the USA until now, and they still waiting the results until the early December this year. Yeah. And after that, when they already got the results, yeah, early December this year, so next year will be manufacturing and distributing to many countries around the world. Okay, actually, do you understand, Adi, for the first paragraph? Do you understand? Yes, actually, do you understand about the first paragraph, Adi? Do you understand the purpose of the first paragraph?
Um,
Yes, do you understand?
I just know I read the text, but I don't know what does it mean actually.
Yes, this is a British. So sometimes I need to explain in the bilingual sometimes. Yeah, but probably you got the point already. That's avoiding for the second lockdown. Ya, avoiding for the second lockdown, menghindari lockdown kedua.
Um,
Ya, lockdown nasional kedua. Yes, according to leaked official documents, ya, berdasarkan dokumen resmi, kebocoran dokumen resmi, setting out plan for operation Moonshoots, ya, men-setting untuk operasi Moonshoots. Di Moonshoots itu adalah organisasi Uni Eropa yang akan menghindarkan Uni Eropa uh, dari coronavirus. Artinya akan membebaskan Uni Eropa dari coronavirus. Ini organisasi Moonshot, so Operation Moonshot. Okay, so the Prime Minister is said to be pinning his hopes, ya, menggantungkan harapannya on a project that would deliver up to 10 M tests a day, ya, 10 million tests a day. Even though the current testing regime is struggling to deliver a fraction of that number and is based by problems. This is the second paragraph. This is the Prime Minister, of Britain, Boris Johnson, pinning hopes, on a project, Moonshot projects that would deliver up to 10 million tests a day. Even though the current testing regimes, regimes is kasar regime, is struggling to deliver, berjuang, ya, to deliver a fraction of that number, dengan jumlah itu, ya, sangat kewalahan, sangat berjuang mati-matian untuk melakukan tes 10 juta tes setiap harinya. And is based by problems, yaitu digantungkan dengan masalah, ya, berdasarkan akan dijumpai masalah-masalah seperti itu. Kalau kita mau melakukan 10 juta tes per hari, jadi Perdana Menteri Inggris, so the Prime Minister of Britain believes, if they can do testing as many as they can, so they will really stop this outbreak of coronavirus. So not must be locked down, for second decisions, untuk diambil decisions. Decisions. What is the meaning? Decision actually. Decisions, keputusan, untuk mengambil keputusan lockdown, something like that. Okay, so the Prime Minister believe, that they must have many testing. Okay, the document says the mass population testing plans would cost 100 billion pounds sterling, the equivalent to the UK entire education budgets. So I think you already got, the point about this. Okay, and Mr. Irfan Nugroho, do you understand actually about
Yes.
this? Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, about the third paragraph. Okay.
Third paragraph.
Yes, do you understand about this actually? The
Yes.
documents say, yes, that the mass population testing, mass population testing plan, rencana population massal, testing plan, rencana testing, will cost 100 billion pounds sterling, the equivalent to the UK entire education budget. The equivalent is sama halnya dengan budget seluruh pendidikan di UK. Biaya sebesar 100 juta pound sterling, 100 juta billions, miliar pound sterling. Itu sama halnya dengan seluruh budget UK untuk pendidikan. So really expensive actually for the testing. So,
Yes.
yeah. Okay, Mr. Ajay. Mr. Ajay, are you there actually, Mr. Ajay? Mr. Ajay, hello. Mr. Ajay. Yes, please open your
Hi,
speaker. Yes, how are you, Mr. Ajay?
I'm good. What about
Okay.
you?
Yes, I'm good as well. Yeah, I'm doing well. Okay,
Right.
okay, let's join back to the class. Yeah, actually, we still discuss about this, Mr. Ajay, about the second lockdown in Jakarta will be tomorrow. And this is the Prime Minister of Britain, and will avoid the second lockdown. So they must have, yeah, really expensive costs, yeah, for avoiding the second lockdown. Yeah, this is about 100 billion pounds sterling, so equivalent to the UK entire education budgets. Okay, so Mr. Ajay, what is your opinion actually? We continue that for the second lockdown in Jakarta that will be done by tomorrow. So what is your opinion, Mr. Ajay? Can you tell us?
Yeah, like I said before,
Yes,
yesterday, I said,
yes,
I'm honest Sweden,
yes,
and he decided to make decision was made considering that it's because of the high number of the daily COVID-19 and raising up the cases, the active cases, and also the death in a hospital. So
yes,
it, and I think that this going to set like it's not full impact to all people, and also it's not a problem solving to these COVID-19.
yes. Okay, that's good, Mr. Ajay. So Mr. Ajay says that Anies Baswedan that he has the decision for have a lockdown for Jakarta. Yeah, so this is not good way actually, not the best way, and this is not full impact, yeah, to the people because many people still increasing going to the hospital. So actually, many people still go to the hospital, still increasing the coronavirus victims, day by day,
Yeah,
something like
and
that.
also it is not long in term or a short in term to solve this problem, to solve this outbreak. So
Yes,
he might be he might look at the number of the COVID-19, the active cases, is getting rise up. So he decided to impose the second lockdown.
mm, okay, understood. Yes, that's correct, Mr. Ajay. Yeah, this is not see about the long term or the short term like that. Yeah, but yeah, this is we must see. Yeah, actually, yeah, about the increase, yeah, of the coronavirus victims, yeah, day by day. So he imposed, yeah, for the second lockdown. Yeah, so yeah, this is actually not good decisions. Yeah, so the governor of Jakarta, yeah, only has the decision for a lockdown when the victim of coronavirus, yeah, increase, yeah, day by day or something like that. Yeah. Actually, yeah, Mr. Ajay has the good opinion actually. Yeah, not must be locked down actually. So something like that. Not must be locked down to avoiding the infect of victims, yeah, coronavirus. Yeah, so not must be locked down. So other way actually, other ways has the change actually changed, yeah, to have the other ways, yeah, to avoiding the lockdown like that. Okay, because yeah, that will fully impact, yeah, for the lockdown for the businesses, yeah, in Jakarta. Yeah, the businesses will, yeah, go down, will, yeah, stop because many people will, yeah, stay at home and they must have social distancing with each other. Yeah, so many offices in Jakarta will be closed, something like that. And Jakarta is the capital city. Okay, that's the point, Mr. Ajay. Okay, that's the good. Okay, so I will ask to Mr. sorry, Mr. Irfan Nugroho. So, Mr. Irfan
Yes.
Nugroho, yes.
Yes.
Okay, what is your opinion actually about this, Mr. Irfan, for Jakarta lockdown actually? Yeah, according to the Jakarta, will have second lockdown by tomorrow. So, what is your opinion about this, Mr.
Yeah, I
Irfan?
think the government uh, has
Yes.
some option. I think uh, as a citizen, we have to follow our government. What is their decision? Because they have considered from many aspects. Yeah, because the COVID-19 uh, is very new for us, and there is two sides of that. Uh, I mean that if we uh, give first priority to the effort to treat, I mean, effort to prevent the outbreak. So we have to lock down all of the activity. But unfortunately, we can do it because the economic need movement, need activity. So we can all lock down all the activity. I think that is my point of view.
Yes. Okay, good. Thank you, Mr. Irfan Nugroho. Yeah, okay. So Mr. Irfan Nugroho, yeah, has the good opinion as well. Yeah, this is agreed with Mr. Ajay, yeah, opinions. Yeah. Okay, so the governor, actually the governor of Jakarta, yeah, must, yeah, has the good decision. Actually, has the actually considerations, yeah, before the, yeah, make the decision, yeah, for make the Jakarta lockdown, yeah, for a second time. Yeah, so that's good because the economics will be have problems, yeah, when Jakarta will have lockdown. Yeah, because Jakarta is the capital city of Indonesia. So yeah, many cities in Indonesia also will have many impacts because Jakarta is the central, yeah, it's the central business of Indonesia. And the first central business Indonesia is Jakarta, and the second is Surabaya. Okay, so yeah, Jakarta is the biggest, yeah, it's the biggest city in Indonesia, yeah, and also cosmopolitan city. Okay, so yeah, okay, that's good. So actually, yeah, everything, yeah, must have the good decision, must have good considerations, yeah, before make the decision, something like that. Yeah, okay, we must see other countries, see other countries who they can appoint for the lockdown. Yeah, actually, Australia also, when you see the news from the Guardian, Guardian.com, in this news always update, this news published in London and also in Australia. Yeah, actually, Australia also has the lockdown, but many people protest because Australia has lockdown very long, you know, for a lockdown, and also New Zealand also has the lockdown for a long time like that. Yeah, so yeah, many business stop. Yeah, so people cannot go anywhere, just stay at home and business. Yeah, businesses have the big impact for this. Many people lost their jobs, many things, and also the USA lockdown also. Yeah. USA lockdown, but the coronavirus victims still increase day by day. That's same with Mr. Ajay said actually, and also has the actually assassin the assassins the actually the black skin, the assassin of George Floyd because he lost his job because long times lockdown. Yeah, we can see from that actually. Yeah, that's Mr. Anji already good opinion. And also last night we have small we had small debates actually last night. We had because some participant actually one participant agreed with the lockdown and some participant they didn't agree for the lockdown. Yeah, last night. Okay, Mr. Adit, how are you, Mr. Adit? Let's join
Hello,
the
sir.
class. Yes,
I'm
Mr.
fine,
Adit.
sir. Sorry, yeah, sorry, I'm joined late, sir. I come late, sorry.
Okay, no problem. No problem. Yes, actually, Mr. Adit, this is still talking about the Jakarta will be locked down tomorrow. Yeah.
Oh, PSBB.
Okay. Yes, the SPB. Yeah, the governor of Jakarta already announced on Thursday in this week that on Monday, next week will be locked down for a second time for Jakarta. Like that.
Only Jakarta or Depok also, sir?
Jakarta and also includes Depok, because Jakarta is
Because the surrounding
nearby,
of Jakarta.
yes, nearby Depok, then Bogor, then either to Tangerang, something like that, Jabodetabek, Bekasi. Okay,
Kita
so
take news, sir.
actually nice to see you again, Mr. Adit. Yeah, yesterday you didn't join the class. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I'm sorry, sir.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Adit, can you please read this paragraph? Yeah. If deliver the Moonshot program, if deliver the Moonshot program.
Oh, okay. If delivered, the moon program would be baca apa nih?
Unprecedented.
Unprecedented in scale and as reflected by its name, is considered by some officials to be at the other level of possibility.
Yes, that's good.
Artinya nggak tahu.
Yes, this paragraph is if deliver the Moonshot programs. Yeah. Moonshot is the program for Uni Eropa. Yeah. This is the program will avoiding Uni Eropa for the coronavirus outbreaks like that. So we'll make the Uni Eropa, Uni European countries, freedoms for the coronavirus like that. Yes, this is the Moonshot program. Would be unprecedented in scale and as reflected by its name. Unprecedented belum pernah tidak terprediksi, tidak bisa diprediksi. Ya.
Kalau reflected apa tuh?
Reflected mengenai berbalik refleksi.
Mencerminkan.
Refleksi. Refleksi merefleksikan dengan namanya by its name. Is considered by some official to be at the other level of possibility. Mengembalikan reflected, reflect kembali, something like that. That's a reflex. So this Moonshot program actually would be unprecedented in scale, because they would have testing per day. They must testing 10,000 million, 10,000 million tests a day. So this is really impossible. Because a day they must testing for 10 million people in London, like actually in UK. There are Britain, then Scotland, then Northern Ireland, also UK. Yes, so this is impossible actually in the Moonshot programs. So it's reflected by its name. It's considered by some official petugas to be at the upper level of possibility. yang dikembalikan atau considers. What is the meaning consider, Mr. Adit? Consider.
Mempertimbangkan.
Yes, dipertimbangkan. Considering mempertimbangkan, consider dipertimbangkan by some official oleh beberapa petugas to be at the outer level, ke level yang outer, yang lebih, ya,
Yang memungkinkan.
tidak memungkinkan, ya, of visibility. Dari
Possibility.
possible, dari apa? Possibility.
Memungkinkan.
Ya, ya, kemungkinan, dari memungkinkan. Jadi di luar suatu hal yang memungkinkan. So this is impossible actually. This is impossible. This is already considered by some official. Ya, sudah dipertimbangkan oleh beberapa petugas. Okay, some of the technology it would require does not yet exist. Ya. Okay, beberapa teknologi yang akan disyaratkan juga nggak eksis, belum eksis, belum ada. Detail of the moonshot proposal emerges as Johnson on Wednesday urged people to abide by new restriction that outlaw gathering of more than 6 people indoor and out. Yeah, so this is the new regulation in England, and that people cannot gathering more than six people, even in indoor or outdoor. Yeah, and said they were imperative if the country was to avoid further tightening of the rules. Pengetatan yang lebih lanjut, pengetatan hukum yang lebih lanjut. Tightening memperketat. Okay. Yeah.
You said just now they cannot gathering more than 6 people, right?
Yes. Cannot gathering more than 6 people.
Indoor and outdoor. How if there is some family who has more than 6
Yes.
persons?
Yeah, more than
6.
Yeah, more than 6 persons. They cannot gathering together. Yeah, something like that. And this is already announced by the PM Minister of Britain. Yeah, you can see the news in our website, Mr. Adit. Yeah. And this is Prime Minister also. Yeah, he was saying on the video, this video, and that's when people gathering more than 6 people, they will break the law. Mereka akan melanggar hukum. Yeah, and the police when they gathering at the park also more than 6 people, so the police will catch them, something like that. So because they will break the law, melanggar hukum. Yeah, this is in England because the increasing of victims coronavirus day by day. In England. And okay, Lestari. Okay, I will ask to Lestari. Actually, Mr. Ajay already had the good opinions, and also Mr. Irfan from Surabaya. Yeah, Mr. Adit. We also have some participant from Java. Mr. Irfan from Surabaya, also East Java, and Mr. Adit originally from Jogja, also Java. Okay, also Japanese. Okay, Lestari. Yes, hello Lestari. Where are you from, Lestari? Yes, let's join the class, Lestari. Yeah, you can open your speaker, please, Lestari. I think this is Devi Dwi Lestari.
Yes.
Yeah, Lestari. Are you Devi Dwi Lestari? Actually, that yesterday you already joined the class. Okay, so Devi Dwi Lestari, actually, have you got the conclusion for this, for avoiding the second lockdown of Jakarta? Or about the second lockdown of Jakarta that will be done by tomorrow? Okay, so yeah, actually the points like that, Mr. Adit and Mr. Ajay. And Mr. Irfan Nugroho, can you please read the last paragraph, please? This is detail of the Moonshot proposal. Oh, this is already, right? Yeah, this is already. Yeah, and this is the PM Minister, yeah, of Britain. Okay, so
Me?
yes, can you please read this paragraph, Mr. Irfan Nugroho?
Okay.
Yes.
In a gloomy assessment of the deterioration position, England's chief medical officer, Professor Chris Whitty, said the recent rise in positive cases was a matter of huge concern.
Yes, that's correct, Mr. Irfan, that's good. Yes, in a gloomy assessment, penilaian yang berkembang of the deteriorating position, ya, posisi yang buruk, ya, deteriorating is a buruk, bad position. England Chief Medical Officer, kepala medical Inggris, ya, Profesor Chris Whitty said the recent rise in positive cases was a matter of huge concerns, ya, adalah masalah yang besar, ya, mengenai masalah yang besar. Yes, the positive cases, increased positive cases is the huge concern, matter of huge concern, mengenai masalah yang besar, so something like that. This is the gloomy assessment, penilaian yang berkembang, in England, especially in England. So the deteriorating position, the bad position, British, Mr. Ajay has the good British. Okay. The British accents. Okay, so furthermore, you can read the news. Furthermore, you can read the news. From the website, or I will send this news to our English speaking clubs actually. So you can read. You can read by yourself. So you can read this news, and this is actually realigned with Jakarta actually, realigned. But the good news is the vaccine, and the vaccine already tested for the human testing in the USA, and now we are still waiting the results until the early December this year. So when we get the results, so early next year we'll be manufacturing and distributing around the world. Okay, Mr. Irfan Nugroho, I think this learning is enough. So I will see you again by tomorrow afternoon. We will have the class tomorrow afternoon. And also Mr. Ajay, tomorrow afternoon we will have the class at 2 p.m. tomorrow. At 2 p.m. of Jakarta. So we'll have the class again by tomorrow afternoon. Okay, thank you for this meeting class, Mr. Adit, Mr. Irfan, and Mr.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, see you again by tomorrow.
See you.
Yes, I will share this news to WhatsApp. Okay, good night, for all.